Hoseli loves to take regular oil baths and tells this to Mrs. Noblegas, another inhabitant of mysterious Superland. Mrs. Noblegas is very shocked because human creatures only bathe in water. Hoseli the robot has an idea. He is a very human-like robot, so maybe a mixed oil-water bath would suit him best. But when Hoseli tries it out, he gets very surprised. Let's find out what happened. Stop! 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 Amelia! That is not suitable for drinking. Are you now ready to do some experiments? Okay. First, take a glass jar that has a lid, water, and cooking oil. Pour the oil into the empty glass jar until it is half full. Now, pour water into the jar until it's full. Wait. Make a guess. Which one goes to the top? The water or the cooking oil? And now let the children try first. Scientists at home, when you have poured the water into the jar and made observations, you can continue to the next phase of this research. Wow, look at that, Amelia. Cool. Yes, the water goes below the oil. Isn't that interesting? Hey, let's go to the next step. Put the lid back on. Okay, now your job is to shake the jar carefully. Carefully. Scientists and research assistants at home laboratories. When you stop shaking the jar and put it on the table, make careful observations. What do you see in the jar? And make an interpretation. Why did that happen? Now chop chop. Go and finish the experiment. Let's see what you find out.